guys, welcome to Dory's Lounge. I got my Lootcrate yesterday, so I'm using a camcorder that I got. This is the first time using it, so please let me know how this looks. So anyway, let's get right on with the unboxing. Hiya! Oh, I see purple already on the box. Okay, this month is Invasion, and the first thing in the box I see is a t-shirt. Let's see what we got here. Oh, these are the soft ones. I like these. Oh, cool. Yay! I think this was, shoot. Not Aliens, shoot, I forgot. X-Files, yeah. Which is cool, and that's coming back on, by the way, if anybody's interested. Next thing we have is a yellow rubber band. I don't know what this is for, but we'll see. What in the world is this? Oh, it's Alien! Oh, sweet! This is the Aliens Lootcrate exclusive. That's cute. I love it. That is so cool. Let's see, we have an X-Files flashlight. It says X-Files on it, if you guys can see that. I'm not going to open it right now because I don't have a pair of scissors. And it comes with batteries, so that's good. Oh, a multi-pass. Yay! I love it. I'm a winner. I have a multi-pass. Anybody else like this element? I love that movie. Sweet. I like it. Let's put my multi-pass on right now. There we go. Multi-pass. Yay! Space Invaders Mini Alien Vinyl figure. This is a limited edition. I guess there's 3 different ones you can get. I have a green-blue one, which my sons can fight over because one likes green, the other one likes blue. But I like that. It's so cool. Let's see, and of course we have the Lootcrate pin. It says Aliens. I'm not sure. There it says Invasion, sorry. See if you guys can see that. Hopefully it'll focus on that and not me. And let's see, we have a Invasion of the Mini Prints. Okay. War of the Worlds. I don't know if anybody's ever remembers that movie, but that's an old movie. It was also on a radio. Oh, and The Day the Earth Stood Still. That was a good movie too. And see, I think that's it. Oh, except for, of course, the magazine, the Lootcrate magazine, Invasion. So let's look in here and see what in the world is that rubber band for. Let's see here. I don't see anything about a rubber band. Really? Well, if anybody knows what I'm supposed to do with this stupid yellow rubber band, please let me know. Let's see. No, I have no idea. Anyway, all in all, I like this crate. Oh, and this is what the crate looks like this month. So I like that because it's got purple on it. anyway, I want to thank you all for watching, and please let me know what you think of this camcorder setup. And you all have a nice day, and please subscribe for more and leave any comments in the comment section. And have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.